Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing and even purchasing using my affiliate link. Today we're going to be talking about Gurucan landing pages. A few of you asked me about Gurucan's landing pages to see if they are good enough to do your landing pages, and I wanted to make a short video So inside of Gurucan, when you go inside, you see that under the online school settings, we have something called landings. So this is where you can create pages for your school. So we're going to try to create a simple landing page, or at least see the features that enable us create pages inside of Gurucan. So the first thing you want to do is click on create new page, and then once you do that, you'll be able to see the name of the page. So let's call it a YouTube course sales page. Alright, so we have the name of the page, so we can add SEO settings here. So we're going to put SEO name, and I'm just going to put any description. I like to click save ahead of time to be able to get what it will be. Now this is going to be the URL of the page we're currently creating, so I'm just going to paste it here so that we can refresh. Okay, it's not published yet. Now let's start actually building the page. So let's add content. We have the same kind of content types to be created inside of Gurucan, and we can determine what it is. So let's say we want to do a page where we're going to have a video at the top. So we have that video embedded inside of YouTube. Put there, and then I'm going to click on save. So that video is going to be there. Then I'm going to add content. We can add rich text, and we'll say get your LLC formed in the US as a non-US person. Okay, that's our headline. Let's make it a H1 so that it will be really big, and then make it bold. I don't see much options here for alignment and all of that, but I'm just going to leave this as it is and say receive payments online with ease using Stripe. Okay, and then we have other content types. We can add an image. I'm going to add the same image we've been using in this series, and then that will be uploaded. Let's add more content. We can add, we've done text, image, okay, we've done text, image and video. So let's video will be an uploaded video. So let me add other kinds of content. So let's do a gallery. You can add multiple images. I don't want to do that. Let's do a quote. You miss 100% of the chances you do not take. Right, let's make that a quote. And then you can also use this for testimonials, right? I forgot to mention that. What other content type do we have? You have questions. So think of questions as FAQs. Let's say, how long will this take? And a minimum of 2 weeks. So that's an FAQ. I'm going to save it. And then another content type we can add is advantages and disadvantages. And let's say you sell more online. Then I'm going to say save advantage. Then you can also add a cover photo. I don't want to add any other images. Then you can add a button. So let's say the button is buy now, and we'll go to the llcformula.com. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and add another buy now button. Okay, so let me add another button here, and I'll say buy now, paste the link again. And then there's another kind of button that you can add. So if I add a button here, I can choose internal link and link it to a Gurucan checkout or whatever I want. So I'm going to say this one, right? Check out the course. So you can use a landing page for a couple of things. You can use it as a sales page, information page, whatever you want it to be. And then once I have added all of the things and I'm happy, I'm going to click save, and it's going to save everything. Okay, it says I should add quotes. So I'm going to save. I forgot to save the quote, and then I'm going to delete this and delete this. I don't need them. And then I'm going to click on save. And then once I click save, I can now publish it. Now it's published. So if I refresh this page, you'll be able to see what we've created so far. That did not work. All right, let me click on preview. Awesome. So this is what the page looks like. This is our video, then we have our text, we have our image, we have the button, some more text, the FAQ that I created, another buy now button, and this is a quote. So you see that it's a very, very simplistic version of a landing page, right? So if you want to create something fancy with all the designs and all of that, you may not be able to do that. But if you want a simple page that will just tell people exactly what maybe your course offers and things like that, this can actually pass. And if you don't have a website, or if you don't have any landing page platforms, you can use this to sell your course to the best of your ability. This does not meet my standards of like landing pages. I use things like ClickFunnels, and I like my pages to be more flexible and well designed. But if you're looking for the most simple version, something that you can run with as a minimum viable product, then this is going to work. So I just wanted to show you guys what it's like to do a landing page inside of Gurucan. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. You can like this video, share it if it was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.